Good morning to one and all unrespected ma'am. My name is Mokshegna. I am from CSC D section. Today my topic is to solve the mathematical problem. The subject name differential equation and vector calculus. Now enter into my topic. Formula used in the problem. Dou is equals to I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z. Now go to the next slide. Now question is so that dou f of r is equals to f dash r by r into r dash r bar, where r bar is equals to xi plus y xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, given r bar is equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Det is r is equals to root x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r says. Now enter into the next slide. Then r is equals to root x square plus y square plus z square. R square is equals to root x square plus y square plus z square 2 square. Now get cancelled to the square and root. R square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Practically differentiate with respect to the x above the problem. Now enter into the next slide. 2r into dou r by dou x is equals to 2x. Now get cancel into the 2 and 2. Dou r by dou x is equals to, now 2 cancel, get r come into the x by into, now get come into the divided by x by r. Similarly dou r by dou y is equals to y by r. Now go to the next slide. Dou r by dou z is equals to z by r. Now dou into f of r is equals to I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z into f of r. I bar dou by dou x into f by r, f into r plus j bar dou by dou y into f of r plus k bar into dou by dou z into f of r. Now summation I bar dou by dou x into f of r. Now go to the next slide. Summation I bar f dash r into dou r by dou x. Summation I bar f dash into r x by r. Now get cancelled to the dou f dash r by r. Summation I bar into x f dash r by r into xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now enter into the next slide. Given r bar is equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now dou f of r is equals to f dash r by r into r dash. Hence proved this given problem. Thank you.